So if you want to embed SwiftUI content into your RealityKit scene, such as maybe you want to label a 3D element in your scene, you'll use attachments. Attachments are a great way to embed SwiftUI content to your reality view. So let's look at the code. Here I have my model, the same model I used in the previous video, generating a sphere in my reality view. After this first closure, you have the option to create other closures afterwards, such as update and attachments. Now update always precedes attachments. You can see I tried to change that here and I get a little error here. So you're going to want to have your attachments at the very end. In this video, Apple listed a way to create attachments, but it's now outdated. You no longer create attachments with this method. Attachments and then the attachment with the tag. You'll get an error. Make update attachments is unavailable in VisionOs. So there's a new way. You're going to want to have your attachments closure with the function attachment, and then you want to pass in the ID, which used to be the tag, and then you'll have your text element or whatever else you want to place in the attachment. So for here I put text hello world. Then in your reality view you want to add your attachment. So here I placed if let h1 attachment equals attachments.entity for and then the tag h1. The attachment is always placed at position 000 by default. So here you can modify the position of the attachment. Here I put h1 attachment dot position equals and then array 0, negative 0.15 and 0. And then afterwards you add the attachment to your element, which is my model here. So model.addChild h1 attachment. And then the attachment will be anchored to your model, which is the sphere I have. So let's run that. Okay, so you can see my attachment is attached to my element here. Let's try and place the attachment in front of my element. Okay, let's try 0, 0.01, and for my Z position 0.1 so that it comes a little closer to the viewer. Okay, so you can see that the text is slightly in front of the element. So that's how you position your attachment to your element. And that's my video on attachments. If you like that, please like and subscribe. I've got more videos about VisionOs. I've also got some videos on music and art, painting. So if you're into that, check out my music and painting videos. And as I keep learning, I will keep making more videos. So please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.